Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Classroom. We are back with another interesting video. But before we jump on that, I hope you are liking our previous videos. If you have not subscribed yet, please do. For getting most out of these videos, please do keep watching till the end. So let's start the video. Today we are going to show you how you can use the slicer. It's related to visualization which is similar to Tableau. So I'll quickly show you in a pivot. So let's create the pivot here, and we have dragged the transaction currency amount and the department here, and now you can see this sales it has come up by department wise. Now we quickly create a new chart here. So let's create a 2D chart. Here you can see that the chart has been created, and now we will create a slicer here. First we will create a new pivot here, and then we will click on analyze section here, and there is a one button called insert slicer. This basically gives us an option of similar pivot fields that we do have it here, and gives a value out of it. So we click on geography and click OK here. Here you can see that there is another pop-up window has come up. Let's quickly hide the above pivot. So let's quickly turn off the grid lines here, and this basically gives us the interactability within this data with the charts, and that's what beauty about it. So we will click on the China here, and we can see that this data has been refreshed for the same. Now we will go with the USA, and we'll also see the data will be changed for the USA as well along with the China. And here you can see that. So similarly, if you want to see the data for, let's say example, India as well, so we will click on India, and here you can see the data has been refreshed for the same. So this is all from this entire video. I hope you have liked this video. Please do not forget to share this video with your friends, colleagues and family, and do subscribe the same. So we look forward to you in our next video. Thank you for your support as always.